End Times Market Prediction Summary 26 Sept 20. Gold. Gold price is taking some support at 1,850. It can bounce a little from here to 1,870 to 1,890 next week, but the expected target is still near 1810 to 1830 lows. Take note, this may not be the final low, as the US dollar index is breaking out above the 94 and can go as high as 95.5 near term. It can also surge to 96.5, and that will put pressure on precious metals, at least for the next 2 months. You should devise the best strategy. Cost averaging may work here. XAU intermediate target is around 130. May go as low as 120. Gold may go down into mid 1700 as the final low if the 1800 strong area does not hold out, or the US dollar remains strong for the next 1 to 2 months. US dollar index remains strongly supported above 94. Next target 95.5 to 96. Markets index may bounce slightly, but as long as 94 is supported, US dollar will go higher eventually. Note, this is not a trend change. The general trend for the US dollar is still down. This is likely a reversal up on the short term while the market index sold off. Once the stock market cools off and start to go up, the US dollar will be sold off again. SPX 500 futures closed higher on Friday as expected in a rebound, making the temporary low on 23 sept. SPX may continue to range within 3,220 to 3,320 area, as long as it remains below 3,320 to 3,330. The next downside target is still in the 3,100 range. For now, enjoy the bounce up a little and range-bound actions. Long-term investor can start to buy a little dip here and there all the way down to 3,000 range. Nasdaq 100. Bottom not in. Similar to SPX, we have the bounce on Friday. May bounce up to resistance at 11,000. The next low may be in the 9,500 or lower range. But Apple stock is still expensive and the big whale will not be getting it at this price. Based on all the analysis inputs, gold may remain in a weak position until the 1,800 is tested and show that it holds. Stock index may correct to mid-oct. But if Donald Trump must win, the stock market must show some signs of rebound before November and remain above certain level. PLS Watch my video on the US president elections for the target price. Based on End Times market prediction, Trump may not score a popular vote in the 2020 election and the results may be close or even a marginal win for Trump in the best case. Martin says the election result may be rigged for Trump to lose. Secondly, due to lack of stimulus, the market remain in a weak positions. End of update. If you like my content, PLS give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Take note, the content provided is for educational purpose only. I will not be responsible for any loss taken, as all trading strategies does have its own risk.